Hi, I'm Richard, and I'm the designer of the award-winning Gocycle electric bike. Some of you may already know a bit about my story and have followed our progress in Europe. To all of our early customers and supporters, thank you for getting Gocycle this far. For those of you that may have just discovered us on Kickstarter, welcome. This is our story. In 2002, I left a dream job at McLaren Cars, and from my one-bedroom London flat, I began to design the best folding electric bike in the world. I traveled the globe pitching Gocycle to all the big bike companies, and they all said it couldn't be done. So I started a company. And in 2009, we launched the iconic Gocycle G1, followed by the award-winning Gocycle G2, and now, the best Gocycle yet, the amazing Gocycle G3. But it's not been easy. Slowly, we've built up our team, and we've worked hard to establish ourselves in Europe. But my vision for Gocycle is global, and that's why we're on Kickstarter. We want to break into the North American market with a new model, the Gocycle GS. Making stuff is hard. Making the best folding e-bike in the world is really hard. You've got to do a load of testing, and I mean a load of testing. Because Mother Nature's rulebook is tough, and there's no undo button in engineering. When you're developing something new, failure and progress go hand in hand, and we've developed decades of experience designing lightweight bicycle parts. At Gocycle, we cook with different ingredients, like our high-tech, injection-molded magnesium frame. And when it comes to innovation, nothing compares to our clean drive, which keeps oil and dirt off your clothes. Performance is in our DNA. Our drive system is light and compact. It's 4 times the power density of any other e-bike on the market. I designed Gocycle to be 2-wheel drive. The motor powers the front, you power the rear. That's the lightest possible e-bike configuration you can get, and it means the Gocycle is balanced and easy to handle. But I've saved the best for last. Our patented pit stop wheel. This cool side-mounted design not only looks great, but it means the wheels are quick and easy to remove. Of course, Gocycle is portable, modular, and compact. This is hands down the most versatile e-bike you'll ever own.
Delfast electric bike is the most advanced electric bike you've ever seen. Typical electric bike cannot run long distances. Just imagine one that can travel the same distance as the most powerful electric car. We have created it. Our bike can run 380 kilometers on a single charge.
In 2014, we created Delfast. It's a courier service that delivers physical online purchases in an hour. The core of our businesses is electronic bicycles. Every day, our couriers travel hundreds of miles. So we at Delfast started producing bikes ourselves. We ride them ourselves in all kinds of conditions, in winter and in summer. The current Delfast electronic bicycle model is our most advanced, and we quickly realized that it's time to make it available to people all around the world.
Delfast is a hybrid between a cross-country motorcycle and a mountain bike. It is not afraid of water, sand or rough terrain. On Delfast bike you can ride around the city, off-road and most importantly long distances.
Motocross and mountain biking are our passions. So we got together with friends and decided to make a motorcycle mountain bike hybrid. We started from one key component. I developed a prototype of the frame. It's as strong as a motocross bike frame. It has a compartment for the battery and it works at any height. In 2015 we started a full cycle of electric bicycle production.
Delfast gives the joy of cycling to everyone, regardless of their gender, age and physical training. Today you can pre-order our bikes. We have developed several modifications which you can choose depending on your preferences. Prime model with 236 miles range on a single charge. Top model with the highest top speed and powerful engine. And the light version with lighter frame and lower price. Help us make the world better and the distances shorter. Please support us on Kickstarter.
Introducing the MOAR e-bike, the first of a new generation of e-bikes that are both fun to ride and practical on a daily basis. The MOAR bike conquers steep hills and will cruise all day and up to 20 miles per hour. Right away, you'll notice the 26 by 4-inch fat tires with double the footprint of a standard mountain bike. More rubber means more traction, letting you ride over wet pavement, potholed roads, or loose surfaces with ease. MOAR offers the only affordable fat tire e-bike equipped with both front and rear suspension. Full suspension provides agile handling and a smooth, stable, and comfortable ride at any speed over any terrain. The frames are constructed out of 6061 aircraft-grade aluminum. Light, strong, and guaranteed not to rust. And when you're done riding, the frame easily folds in half for storage or transport. And there's no need to call it a day when the sun goes down. Bright LED projection headlights illuminate the road ahead without blinding oncoming traffic, while soft angel eyes light up the rider and give a face to the bike. A centralized 48-volt battery powers the whole system. It's wrapped in an IP65 rated, splash-proof aluminum housing and offers immediate power delivery. Whether you're a seasoned rider or a beginner, a commuter or a trailblazer, MOAR offers the ultimate e-bike for your needs.
Does your morning look like this? There is a better way, a compromise-free way, one that is sustainable, powerful, and portable. Think it's too good to be true? Think again. This is the world's lightest electric bike. This is Carbo. It's light, it's smart, it's carbon, it's compact. It's Carbo.
Having been in the e-bike industry for many years, we have tackled most of the problems that users and mechanics have mentioned. E-bikes tend to be bulky, heavy, not to mention the bad weight distribution which compromises your riding experience.
And it's also hard to find after-sales service due to complexity of repairs.
So we have decided to redefine what a folding e-bike should be.
Light, durable, stunning design and functionality. When designing the Carbo, the main challenges were the weight and access to critical electric components. All the components are separate, making it easy to service and upgrade. No special tool required.
Anyone can do it. So we joined forces with the best players in the industry and created a team of manufacturing experts to make Carbo come to life.
Carbon fiber also absorbs vibration, resulting in a more comfortable ride.
Not only is carbon fiber lighter than aluminum, it's also 8 times stronger.
Having the battery in the seat post creates an optimal center of gravity. It's also easily removable for indoor storage or charging.
It's for everyone, everywhere.
How about the ride home? The smart screen can connect to your phone by Bluetooth and guide you to your destination.
Designed to fit into your life, no learning curve required. Carbo is the perfect urban companion.
Not only do we want to see more people on e-bikes, but we would like to share our passion and experience and create the best e-bike tailored to your needs, engineered for your peace of mind.
Carbo is ready to roll,
Fully functional.
ready for production.
All we need is your support to make this
It's a reality.